Hey guys, this is my story of how I fell in love with the Kawasaki ZX4R. Was it the shark gill inspired elements? Or the clear LCD screen? Showa suspension that makes you want to trust your machine on every corner you take? Or was it the ZX10R inspired taillights? Rear view mirror to see the world left behind? Or the LED headlights that brighten your nights? Ram air system for a power-hungry engine that howls whenever you open that throttle. Safety net of ABS coupled with stickier Dunlop tires? Or is it the roar of that high-revving inline-4 engine? How it slices its way through the traffic? The power and symphony of the engine keeps you entertained at higher revs. Maybe it's just about the sharp handling, which makes you a better rider. Or maybe it's just the looks. It's just how the little Kawasaki makes you feel. It makes you feel alive.